Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade today, starting with the FMCG major ITC, which posted its numbers last evening. Seems like a mixed set of numbers coming in from ITC this time around, where revenue growth has surely been above the estimates, coming in at 22.6% revenue growth on a year-on-year basis, mainly led by the agri business of the company, which grew by 79% as well as the cigarette business volumes have also come back, and cigarette business has grown by 15% as expected. So surely strong growth on the revenue front, but profits were in line, down 1.3% on a year-on-year basis, and margins below the 18-hour expectation as well as the street expectation. Some pressure coming in on the margins front, 33.6% versus 38.4%. So sharp contraction that we are seeing coming in terms of the margins of the company. Also, let's not forget ITC has declared a dividend of 5.75 rupees per share as well. And overall, the volumes, cigarette volumes, have surely seen a recovery and coming near the pre-COVID levels of the cigarette volumes, and are coming in at 7 to 8% is what the inferred volume growth is at. Now overall, looking at the numbers, JP Morgan has maintained a neutral stance, along with Citi also maintaining a neutral stance of the company, but Morgan Stanley has maintained an overweight stance on the company, as well as Credit Suisse is also maintaining an outperformance stance on the company. So surely this is what is coming in from the brokerages as well as ITC's earnings, so should keep an eye out on that. Moving forward, Gujarat Gas also in focus on the back of its numbers. Revenues up by 28%, profit growth of around 40% on a year-on-year basis, and it stands at around 350 crore rupees, and this is mainly the rise is due to the rise in the gas sales volume which the company has seen. So surely a good set of numbers coming in from Gujarat Gas as well, and we could see some focus on the company as well. Talking about auto stocks which have been coming out with their May auto sales numbers, Aisha Motor and MotoCorp both came up with their numbers last evening, where we are seeing Aisha Motor's overall sales on a year-on-year basis surely have seen an increase of 43%, but on month-on-month basis they're down by 49%. While talking about the two-wheeler, MotoCorp has also seen an increase on a year-on-year basis, but a decline on a month-on-month basis. A 51% decline is what is coming in for MotoCorp on a month-on-month basis. So surely let's see how the stocks react in news today on the back of their auto sales numbers. Moving forward, we do have Route Mobile also in focus today, after the company has partnered with Emirates integrated telecommunication company to launch its Global A2P Messaging Hub as a new service in the region, and this will be fully managed by Route Mobile. So surely that's going to keep the stock in focus today. Lastly, Siemens also could be in focus after Jefferies has upgraded the stock to a buy with a target price of 2,500 rupees per share, as well as the management and analyst call sounded quite optimistic on the order activity picking up as well going forward ahead as well, and that's what Jefferies has highlighted. They said that yes, there may be some impact coming in on the second wave on the supply chain due to the localized lockdown, but sites are largely open as of now. So that is something positive, as well as they believe that the company is enhancing the digitalization footprint as well for more orders. So that is interesting, and Jefferies has therefore updated the stock to a buy with a target price of 2,500 rupees per share. And let's keep all these 5 stocks in our mind and on our radar today at 9:15.